Hello, it's Sunday. I'm doing an experiment with the webcam, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me better than with my camera. And yes, I'm in my pyjamas, and frankly I just couldn't be arsed to change out of them. I'm going to start with AJ, and hopefully he doesn't answer his phone.
Record your message after the tone. To send a numeric page, press 5. When you are finished recording, hang up. Or for delivery options, press pound.
Hey AJ, I don't really know you. I've met you through the club, and I wish that we talked more because I don't know what to say to you. I do know what you look like, which is a good start, although it isn't much. I'll end this message here, and I hope your day goes well. Next up is Marissa. Marissa, this is a message, as you know, for acciocollab. If you can't understand me, I apologize. I get to see you soon, and this kind of rhymes. I think that you're absolutely brilliant, just the way that you are. I could have used the chords for you and I, but the song's already too far along. Don't forget how much I love you, although we're very different. I'm glad that I've been able to get to know you this year, and that's the end. Sorry, I'm lame. And next up is Matt.
Hey, it's Matt. I think I'm on the phone right now, but please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Dear Matt, you're a twat. I don't feel bad about saying that because you know that I am only joking. Seriously, I just like that word. I'm sorry that I don't ship Rose and the Doctor, but I just really don't like her. I'm glad that you share my fear of weeping angels, which of course I know is completely irrational. I don't quite know what else to say. Seeing your post always makes me laugh. I'm aware that that didn't rhyme at all, and so now I'm going to end this call. Oh yeah, I like you too. That's something I should add. Okay, cool, bye. Next up is Sarah.
Hey guys, it's Sarah. Leave a message up to the beat. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi Sarah, this is your message for acciocollab. I can say it however I like, so don't get hung up on that, please. I'll see you in only 9 days, and I'm so chuffed about that. I don't quite know what else to say, except I love you, and you're hilarious. You make me laugh far more than can be good for me, and our friendship will never wither, which I'm grateful for. Now I have to end this bloody song on the tonic, which is fine. This is the end of your message, so I hope that for Shannon. Shannon, this calls for the collab, as you know, as you've left one for me, sort of. I wish I played video games so that I'd know what you're talking about. I suck at leaving messages and rhyming words is too hard. I'm sorry that I'm so awkward, but I think that you're lovely. Just cause I said so, and I'm ending this call now. And last but not least is Tori. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? Okay, I'm just kidding, I'm not stealing that song. Hello Tori, this is your call for acciocollab. I'm making this up as I go, so sorry if it's bad. I'm going to see you in just over a week. I warn you, I'm shy at first, so I may not speak. I think you're wonderful and I love you so much. This is not going to rhyme well, I can tell you now. I'm just embarrassing myself, I know. I'm ending the call now, so bye. Wow, that sucks. Right, well, that's it for me. I hope that everyone has a very lovely Sunday, and Tori, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.